Hi all, I'm PK back with one more video, and today I just wanted to share that growing up, my parents are from UP, but I was not born or raised there, so I'm very not familiar with a lot of things, but they are from lower middle class family, so they are like typical UP Bihar kind of people, like typical to the core. And they got us here. We were raised in Bangalore from our pre-nursery to our primary, high school, PUC, degree, marriage, everything is in Bangalore. So you can guess how unfamiliar we are with UP or Bihar or their culture or their expectation or how we have to behave according to their norms, social norms. So in South India, people treat their girls so much better compared to so much better. Like, yes, there are still areas where we think we can do much better as a society, but still, when in comparison with those states, much better. And we used to go to schools, how little kids go to school, and we used to, in school we are like 5 hours 6 hours in the school, looking the way the other girls are, their parents, how they are treated, their talk, things that they, and then we go back to our home in the evening. And we were okay, understand this, that my parents, they had this perception about girls, because they have seen only those kind of girls in their entire life, and we kids have perception about this kind of girls, our school kind of girls, because that's all we have seen. We didn't have any relatives in our place. We only had them in our village, which, so we were like, okay, this is how it is going to be. And we used to transition from school to our home in the evening, and I am like, no, something doesn't make sense. It's not the same. How is my mother expecting me to just all of a sudden be like, in Bhojpuri language, they say, like, I've heard this my entire life, they say, Kuchu ka sahur naha. Like, it's not just housework, the way to do houseworks, like the elegance, it's not even just elegance, it's like you have to do it, like in corporate we say quality work, not just work. My mom expected that from me when I was a little kid, in terms of houseworks. And the way we used to get criticized for that from our parents are like unbelievable in their language, which we still do not know the way we should know. We were like, till some point of our age, we didn't get understand much, and it was just them talking to us. But as I started growing up, I was like, no, this doesn't feel right. How is that girl in my class so much, she's hugging her father? Are you serious? This is such a strange concept for me. How can a girl hug her father? Because that's how we were raised. We never hugged our father. No, I don't remember doing that. Maybe very recently, maybe when I was getting married. Can you imagine? When I got married that day, that's all I remember. I don't remember one such incident with me. So that was so strange, and the way they used to talk to their fathers, like, not disrespectful talk, disagreement, that no, I disagree on this, I will not do it this way, I want it to be that. I used to be so shocked that how can you as a girl disagree with your father? So it's like, it's a lot of disappointment. And now